Hey guys, Matt here from The Conscious Builder. Today I'm going to give you a sneak peek of our net zero build. On the front we did a hardy board Bourton batten look. It came with a wood grain finish. The client was unsure if she wanted to do a 12-inch or a 16-inch spacing on the battens, so that caused us to frame everything on the angle. If you look closely, you can see the nail holes. They're actually on a 45. So strapping on the 45 really allowed the client to visually see what it was going to look like, instead of us having to have a predetermined spacing. These cedar posts really accent the front of the house real nice. Standard 8x8 cedar post, nothing fancy, just gorgeous. We also have this nice black Garaga door, well insulated, 2 inches. Very modern, fits the house very nicely. Here we changed our siding to a hardy board again, but it's a side lap hardy board, again with the wood grain finish. Over here, our installation process was a bit different. Because it's just a standard horizontal siding, all we had to do was standard vertical strapping along the house. We did a Cape Cod soffit over here all along the house with the Maybach ventilation strip. Hey, buddy! This is the owner's dog, Buddy. He's one of my personal favorites. You gonna do your tail? No, you don't want to do your tail. You're making me look like a liar. One of the coolest features of this house are these big windows that they had installed. They actually came over from Europe, I believe. Big 10-foot patio door and a 10-foot wide window above that. Really brings in the natural light. Here's another one of the patio doors that we were talking about. Gorgeous accent to the bedroom. As well, we have these other great triple pane windows supplied by Dalman. Their crew did a bang-up job installing them. Next, we're gonna go take a look on the inside. Come on in. This is the front entrance of the house. We did a nice accent wall here with some sleek hidden cabinets in the wall. Over here we have our powder room. Client went with a beautiful, beautiful oak floating cabinet. This really nice rock sink with beautiful tap. This is just a overflow room, we can call it. Clients put a lot of their stuff in here. Here we got our constant pressure system and our water softener system. Hi, buddy. Still need to get another paint done in here, but you can see this is a very basic workshop. Vinyl flooring, extremely durable. Stainless steel countertop, extremely durable. Again, another beautiful 10-foot patio door. Come to the main living area of the house. Big open concept. We have our kitchen in the corner, dining, living room. If you take a look at these doors, they're huge, but they're really easy to operate. And then to close them, that's it. We have the catwalk hallway. This countertop, absolutely gorgeous. We actually brought this in from the Quebec side. Great company, did some great work. Stone Design did our countertops. I believe the stove is actually, she can operate it from her phone. So that's pretty cool. Again, the view is just very peaceful. And wall-mounted oven, fridge. Now this next room is like adjacent to the kitchen, and it's pretty amazing. We actually have the lights on a sensor, so when she walks in, she has full access, full lights. So this is pretty much an overflow pantry. Very organized, very nice room to have. We also have a master guest ensuite. Has its own beautiful bathroom. Tile work done by Ramsey Tile, gorgeous. Continuing on into the the guest master ensuite, we have a kitchenette, fridge, cabinets, great big patio door, massive closet as well. And again, lots of natural light coming in here, so it's a really, really nice feel. This is the VR room. They actually have some sensors in each corner, and that allows the client to be able to play her game Beat Saber, I believe it's called. And she's literally ninja chopping. We'll take a look upstairs. Wow, that's new. I love that. These stairs are absolutely gorgeous. I love this little shelf that they added. Really ties in the bathroom and the stairs, and I believe there's more shelves going on at a later date. Really nice. Over here we have another bathroom. Pretty straightforward stuff. Over here we have the mechanical room. Mechanical room has our laundry sink, has our furnace, our hot water tank, our ERV. This guy over here, that's our battery for our solar panel. And the way they've done it is they actually have two panels. They have their main panel and then they have their backup panel. Couldn't tell you how it works, but it works. Over here, this is actually a bonus room. We actually didn't have plans on finishing this room, but throughout the construction process, the clients decided to finish it. Our view from the catwalk. Very nice. Spare bedroom. Very straightforward stuff. The floor in this house is really, really nice. They chose one floor throughout the main and second with a change to the master bedroom only, I believe. So a really, really nice floor. Here we got some built-in linen closets. Just great to have. Sean did a really nice job making this look mint, mint, mint. Then we have the ensuite. Big soaker tub, big window, great view. Walk-in shower. The toilet's actually around the corner. All the toilets in this house except one are wall-mounted toilets. Pretty sleek looking. Then over here we actually have an entrance to the, or an exit, excuse me, to the deck. Nice little spot to come out in the morning. Over the top in the soffit, you'll actually see, we actually put our attic access outside. Really allows us to really keep our envelope tight. And finally, we have the master bedroom. This is the floor change that we had talked about. Really works well with the colors in here. As well as a massive walk-in, which is pretty cool.
Thanks for watching the video, and I'm super grateful that you're here supporting the channel. We recently completed our final blower door test on this net zero build, and it came in at 0.83 ACH. If you want to learn more about the building envelope and HVAC systems, you can check it out in the previous video we did here. And if you're a contractor looking to improve your business, you'll definitely want to visit the Conscious Builder Academy at consciousbuilderacademy.com and check out the courses, but be sure to sign up to the list at the very least, because I'm going to be launching live group calls very soon, and we're obviously going to have a limited amount of spots available. Until next time, I'm Casey Gray, and remember to live consciously.